Hey, what's up? It's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2013 Honda Shadow 750 Phantom. This is Honda's mid-size cruiser, 745cc V-twin engine, fuel injected, 5-speed transmission. Bike is in very clean condition, like new. Shaft drive, easy maintenance. Low seat height, very nice stance. This bike has 8,542 miles on the odometer. It is all stock and runs great. Brand new tires, front and rear. Bike looks great, all blacked out. Brand new rear tire. Honda's been making the same V-twin 745cc engine for a while. Very solid and dependable. Very reliable. This 2013 Honda Shadow 750 Phantom is a great deal at only $54.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach that 408-730-0600.